Classifications of animal wastes and byproducts. The definition of wastes and byproducts. Category 1 materials, including SRM, specific risk materials. Category 2 and Category 3 materials. Principles of disposal and treatment of Category 1, 2, and 3 waste materials. So animal byproducts, ABPs, are materials of animal origins not intended for human consumption. The categories are Category 1, 2, and 3. Category 1 is high-risk materials with potential TSE contamination, TSE meaning transmissible spongiform encephalopathies, or residues of environmental toxins. Category 2 is medium-risk materials including manure, digestive tract content, and dead animals, with no severe zoonosis. And Category 3 is low-risk materials fit for human consumption but not used for commercial reasons, such as hides and hooves. So the Category 1 materials are animals suspected with TSE, transmissible spongiform encephalopathies. These include wild animals with zoonotic diseases or pet and zoo animals. The specific risk materials, SRMs, are brain, spinal cords, tonsils, etc. in bovines and ovines in specific ages. Another example of a Category 1 is wastewater residues from a Category 1 processing plant. For the disposal, they need to be incinerated at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 seconds with less than 6% oxygen. There can also be co-incineration or landfill after dye marking. Category 2 materials include manure, aborted fetuses, and materials containing drug residues, or animals that were killed due to epizootic disease control. For the disposal, there's incineration, burial, composting, and biogas production, and treatment materials may be used as fertilizers. Category 3 materials are byproducts fit for human consumption but excluded commercially, such as hide, hooves, and feathers, and fish meal production byproducts, or hatchery waste or non-diseased animal byproducts. For the disposal, they can be used as pet food, technical materials, fertilizers, or transport to farms. And treated materials can re-enter the agricultural system as sterilized fertilizers. Rendering plants are facilities converting animal byproducts into usable materials like lard and tallow. For the requirements, they're located in industrial zones over 1 kilometer from settlements. They are segregated into clean and unclean areas, and there's high security fencing. For the processing plants, the particle sizes have to be less than 50 millimeters, and the temperature has to be 130 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Microbiological measures are taken to ensure reduction of pathogen risk. This includes high temperatures and pressure treatments, and effective rendering reduces the potential for contamination.